Good morning, traders. We have that Netflix trade right here. The $725 puts. I'm in it right now. The low is $32 in these options with volume of 63. You can bet on these to go in buy now, pay later program. Netflix. This is the hourly chart. We can see where we're hitting that support. Okay, so I'm making money as Netflix goes down. And this is live right here, right now. It was the biggest gainer on the way up. We made a ton of money on our calls. Everyone knows we sold out of our calls the other day. It's right there on the site. We knew when to sell and we knew when it would break down by using our tools, and we can see where we've hit that support this morning, and we see that it's profit taking and big winner, big winner. Get in it, long or short.